Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Angga Fernanda and NPM 2341150. I'm from class Management 23A, and here I will present about relation to organizational design study and dynamic of global change and leadership challenge. Global environmental change has become an unavoidable phenomenon in the modern organizational landscape. Factors such as globalization, digital transformation, climate change, political instability, and shift in social and cultural value have created a business environment that is dynamic, complex, and full of uncertainty. In such a world, organization can no longer rely on rigid hierarchical structure on traditional leadership style. Instead, they require leaders who can adapt quickly, think strategical, and manage change sustainability. In the context of organizational design, the concept of leading in global change is essential because um, the success of any organizational design depends on how effectively its structure, system, and culture respond to environmental safe leadership. Therefore, become the key drive that ensure alignment between organizational structure and the constantly evolving global environment. Hmm. The essence of leading in a global context. Leading in the global environment goes far beyond managing team or making strategy cross-border decision. It involves the ability to understand, anticipate, and manage global dynamic proactively. A global leader must possess cultural intelligence, emotional maturity, system thinking, and sensitivity to global issues such as sustainability, diversity, and social responsibility. From an organizational design perspective, global leadership requires the alignment of organizational culture to become more flexible, uh, communication system to be more cross-cultural and collaborative, and organizational culture to be open to difference and innovation. Active global leadership is not only economically oriented but also grounded in ethical principles, human value, and long-term sustainability. And next, adaptive leadership in the face of global change. The rapid pace of global change demand adaptive leadership, a form of leadership that emphasizes learning, flexibility, and resilience. Adaptive leadership are not confined by traditional methods. Instead, they constantly learn from the environment, make evidence-based decisions, and experiment with innovative solutions. Key characteristics of adaptive leadership include sense-making ability or the skill to interpret and give meaning to complex global phenomena. Collective intelligence, which involves engaging multiple stakeholders in problem solving and decision making. And next, tolerance for ambiguity, meaning the ability to remain responsive and strategic amid uncertainty. Commitment, the organizational learning, encouraging a culture where mistakes are seized as opportunity for growth within organizational design. Adaptive learn as organizational architects work constantly relying system, process, and role to maintain strategy coherence with global change. They advocate for fluid structure, empower cross-departmental collaboration, and cultivate innovation and learning-oriented work environment. Transformational leadership and organizational innovation. In the context of global change, transformational leadership become highly relevant. Transformational leadership focus on inspiring their followers by articulating accompanying vision, promotion, increasing motivation, and ensuring commitment toward collective transformation. The relationship between transformational leadership and organizational design is strong and reciprocal. Transformational leader encourage the development of agile, innovation-driven, and learning-oriented organizational structure. For example, by implementing project-based of metric structure, leader enable flexibility and responsiveness to market fluctuation. Moreover, transformational leaders promote collaborative innovation and empowerment, which is the essential for global competitiveness and organizational resilience. And next materi, leadership challenge in the global era. Leading in the global environment presents a variety of challenges that test both the technical and emotional capacity of leaders. These include cultural and communication complexity, recurring intercultural sensitivity and empathy, technological disruption, the meaning, continual learning, and strategic redesign of organizational process, economic volatility, which can destabilize long-term planning and resource allocation, ethnical and social pressure, especially regarding environmental sustainability, equity, and human rights. Internal resistance to change as employers may struggle to adapt to new global strategy or structure. An effective global leader must not only reach to these changes, but also anticipate and design organizational mechanisms that make the organization more resilient and proactive. This means creating flexible systems, decentralizing decision making, or nurturing a culture that embraces continued change. Leadership, organizational design, and sustainability. Sustainability has emerged as a central principle in modern organizational design. Global leaders play a crucial role in ensuring that their organizations are not only profitable but also social and environmentally responsible. This involves designing production systems that minimize ecological impact, fostering ethical supply chains, and integrating environmental and social consideration into strategic decision making. In this regard, leadership becomes the bridge that connect organizational design and sustainable development. Through visionary leadership, organizations can embed sustainability value into their mission, structure, and daily operation, ensuring both long-term success and positive societal impact. In conclusion, leading in global environmental change requires a combination of strategic achievement of emotional intelligence and systematic awareness within the study of organizational design. Leadership play the pivotal role of aligning structural flexibility, cultural adaptability, and strategic responsiveness with the realities of globalization. Effective global leaders act as designer of adaptive systems. They redesign organizational structure to fit global demand, promote learning and innovation, and inspire their people to embrace change as a continuous process. Ultimately, leadership in the global era is not merely about directing people, it is about sustainability into the very core of organizational design. Such leaders not only ensure their organization survival but also transform it into a powerful agent of change within an ever-evolving global landscape. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a great day, and may this knowledge with us in becoming more effective organizational leaders in future. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.